Hi everyone. Today we're going to do a new warm-up exercise called descending quarter notes. I've got the Baritone uke today, tuned to open strings E, B, G, and D. If you're using an acoustic, it's up to you if you want to have a capo on the second fret or not. Either way, tune to an E, B, G, and D note. So we're going to utilize the pinky again on this exercise. And we're going to start on the first string. And since they're descending, these are going to be going down the chromatic scale, one fret at a time. So we'll start on the first string, fourth fret, fourth finger, play a quarter note, and then the third fret, second, first. And we just do that over and over. These are quarter notes, but it won't make sense to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can even go just count 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that indicates the fourth finger or fourth fret, third, second, first. Then we move to the second string, same thing. Fourth fret, third, second, first. And then we'll move to the third string. And then we'll move to the fourth. So practice that a while, and then we're going to play one string at a time, or one measure at a time, and move to the next string. So let's do that all together. I'll count 1, 2, 3, go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. This really helps you stretch out your fingers, and you want to make sure that you're getting them close to those fret wires. It'll take a little bit of time to really be able to do this efficiently and without effort and without thinking too much, so be patient with this. Then the next thing we want to do is to name the notes. Okay, so the first note on the first string is going to be G sharp, G or G natural, F sharp, F. Second string is going to be an E flat or D sharp. Those are both the same note but different names. Then D natural, then C sharp, and then C. And then the third string is going to be B, B flat, A, G sharp. Fourth string is going to be F sharp, F, E, E flat, or D. So some of these strings have two different names. I'm trying to only give you double names if that's what guitarists will kind of use more often. For instance, when we play the B flat, third string, third fret, it could be called an A sharp, but guitarists don't usually refer to it as A sharp. We usually refer to it as B flat. So I'm just trying to keep it simpler for you. But that's your next step though, is to play, name the notes. So let's do that together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. G sharp, G, F sharp, F, E flat, D, C sharp, C, B, B flat, A, G sharp, F sharp, F, E, D sharp, or E flat. Simple in explanation, but it'll take time to master. Keep practicing that and rotate that in through your warm-ups. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.